Okay, looking at the picture, I'm going to say it looks properly scaled to me. Like I'm looking at the sides, it looks properly in order. The angle also looks proper to me. All right, I'm not going to say it's exact, but sort of in line with what I expect scale to look like. I'm going to label the picture for you though, and I'm going to label this angle angle A. I'm going to label this angle B, and I know they want C, by the way. So I'm going to call this side C. I'm going to call this side A. I'm going to call this side B over here. Let me write that down for you. And let's see. I'll write down A equals 3. I'll write down B equals 5.8. And I'm going to write down, I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. I got to erase that. So B equals 3.9. And C equals 5.8. Now, if you've been listening to teachers, they probably tell you that the law of sines is problematic, and I always recommend my students to go for the smallest angle if you're going to use law of sines. But I do go on to say if you're using the law of cosines, you don't have to worry about that. So what I want to do, I want to find angle C, right? How would I do that? Well, oh, I forgot to write something down. I know A is 28.25 degrees. Let me write this down then. I want C, angle C. So it's going to be C squared, I know what that is, equals A squared plus B squared minus, let's see, 2AB, I'm using the law of cosines, times the cosine of angle C. I'm going to try to solve that for C, big C that is. And what do you get? Let's see, 2AB cosine of angle C equals A squared plus B squared minus C squared. Now cosine of C, again, a lot of students complain this is too much work for them. I don't think this is really that much work because I'm not doing any computation at this point. I'm just manipulating things. That's over 2AB. So if this is an exam question for me, I'd write down now C equals arc cosine of this quotient, and that's going to be A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. All right, now this is my exam. That would be considered a correct answer, by the way. I also am going to go to Sage and approximate it. Now, if you go to Sage and approximate it, you'll get a number, and the number I believe you get is going to be, I got to look at my notes, by the way, about 113.8 degrees. And again, looking at the picture, I'm going to say, roughly right? Certainly bigger than 90. All right, so I feel good about that. But a lot of students say, I don't want to do that. I want to use the law of sines. There's trouble with it, though. And I want to go through that with you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this business over here. That was using the law of cosines. And I'm going to use the law of sines. Right? I want to warn you about this, though. If you're going for the big angle, you're actually not going for the big angle. You're going for the supplement of the big angle. You're going for the supplement, all right? So you're looking at the supplement when you're using the law of sines. And again, I'm looking at the picture, I know that. So I'm going to write this over here. I'm going to say the sine of the supplement of C. So I'm going to put down C supplement, all right, over side C. What's side C? It's letter C equals the sine of A, that's written down, by the way, over side A. And I think I can figure that out. And it's going to be sine of the supplement of C is equal to C times the sine of A over A. All right? So what do I do now? I got to take the arc function. So it's going to be the supplement of C is equal to the arc sine of C times the sine of A over A. All right? Now, someone says, well, you want C. What's C going to be? Well, C is going to equal 180 degrees, is the supplement, minus C sub S, which is the supplement of C. This is going to give you the same number, but again, if this is an exam question, I would accept it, understanding that this is something I'd want to know, and this is the answer we want C. These are two things we need to know over here. If you do this on a calculator, you're still gonna get 113.8 degrees. Again, my take-home message to you is this over here. If you're using the law of sines, I wouldn't be going for the big angle, but if you do go for the big angle, you're going for its supplement, right? What does that mean? The supplement of this over here is 180 minus the C that you find, C supplement, all right? I'll go back to Sage and I'll do these things on Sage so you get the same number. Thank you.